So I went to one of my favorite places, Detroit Coney Grill. I got the chili cheese fries. Look at how delicious those look. And then a Philly cheesesteak pita. I really enjoyed the pita because sometimes you don't want that hoagie bread that they come with, and it's just nice to get a soft pillow pita. Basic had mushrooms, bell pepper, onion, the beef. And then here's me eating the chili cheese fries. I could not have enough. Like, you just have to go and get these chili cheese fries. Best thing ever. Comfort food originated from Michigan. Check it out.